Today's video game is what we're gonna do. All right, so I don't think I posted the previous video that I did, but you see the door handle right there? Let me show you right here. So I already replaced this door handle right here. As you can see, new. Got this from LMC. We're about to go ahead and do this over here on the driver's side of the vehicle. Well, the passenger side of the vehicle. We're gonna take this old thing off right here. We're gonna throw this new one on, man. I had this thing for like, might be 2 years now, sitting in the garage. Boy, be lazy. I don't feel like doing a whole lot. But that's what this everything that comes with it, man. I'm going to throw this thing on there, and we're gonna get to it, man. I got glass in there, man. I got windows, all that stuff in the garage. Got to swap all this stuff out. The boy been lazy, man. Been hella lazy. But we're gonna make this stuff happen, all right? So let's get to it. All right, gang, check it out. We just took this screw out right here. It's too easy. You let the glass all the way down, and of course, when you put this in here, it's gonna be, the glass gonna be against it a little bit right there. So I just pulled on the glass, put it forward. As you can see, I don't have my panel in, of course. You wanna remove your door panel, get all that out of the way so you'll be able to flex your glass a little bit. Flex the glass forward. This right here is a impact driver, so it kind of breaks it home free for you when you have problems. See, like so. It's not gonna fall because it's connected through the linkage and everything. So keep track of all your stuff. And we are using a 7/16 inch socket. So as of now, and we got everything causing this to, there we go, you push the handle in, the baby came right on up out of there, see? We'll push the button in, so. Let me remember what I gotta take loose to get all of this out real quick. What's up, gang? I'm back, man. Man, check out this cool flashlight I got from 80.com. Yeah, it's pretty dope. You can get you buy you a cool flashlight and be entered to win a car. So I'm be getting more of these babies, man. These are pretty dope. Good. And I think it's you can wave your hand by it or something. I don't know, but it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. But anyway, let's get to it, man. Yeah, it's not sponsored. I just happen to like this light so much. I figured I'd share it with you guys and tell you about it. I like the fact that it's flexible. I can drop it in like this. Let it do its thing. Watch how I brighten up this thing in there. Bright inside of here. Get you guys a better angle. All right, so as you can see, what we got to do here is that metal rod right there. Yeah, that rod there. You want to disconnect it right down there. You see? Yeah, right there, that little clip. That's where we need to disconnect it from, that clip down there. The rod right here. My finger's pointing. It's at the end of this rod. Yeah. So I'm gonna take a little something to pry up this little tab here. So this right here is the retainer clip. That's the retainer clip. It has to be slid down. It's been there a long time, so it's gonna take some finessing. Probably gonna have to use a hook. I think what I did last time, I got something, a small screwdriver in here, and I got in here just right. And I twisted it, and it was just enough to cause it to move down. You can see all this yuck and gunk around here, so I'm gonna work on that game, and I'll be right back to you. I'll clean out some of this junk off of it. Yeah, you can see the outside of it right there. It's just a clip. It slid over this rod. Once it slides off, what we do is to slide that rod right out of there, pull that whole thing out, and then slide this rod out of the door handle from the bottom and slide this rod into the new door handle. And that will allow you to use all new parts that come with your door handle. So stay tuned. Alright, gang, this is the type of rod that we're dealing with. This isn't the one that we're after, but it's made just like this. It has a little line on the end there, just like that. And the clip looks just like this. Alright, so what we have to do with it is you have to pry up this side and then slide it back, because it has a little tab that goes down into the metal where it's at. So get up under it, then use a flat tip screwdriver and twist against this back part here, and it'll roll right out of there. One of y'all grab that ball for me. Grab that ball for me. Be careful when you go out there. Alright, so let's tackle that over here. What's unfortunate about this tab though is you just can't see the clip up under there. So the reason why it's a little hard right now to take out is because I pulled against it.
Daddy, can you let that too?
Alright, so what I'm gonna have to do is get a little flat screwdriver and stick behind there. Use my other screwdriver to pry it out. So let's get it. Alright, gang, you see it right there. I got it loose. I got my flat tip screwdriver. But first, I had to use a little hook, like so, to pry in there to kind of flex that metal back. Then I was able to get my flat tip, a little long, thin flat tip behind it. I pried it a little more, and then hit it from the top, and it came right on down. So, what you could do is spray a little WD-40 on it before you start, and that'll help out a whole lot. So at this point, we can pull the rod out. Okay. Should be able to get in here and pull it back on it. Get it up out of there. But we don't want our clip to fall out. I think it's out far enough where it's going to just drop. Push up on it just a little bit. There we go. The clip staying in place. The door handle is coming out. Man, that sucks. Freaking camera wanna move. I ain't seen none of that. But yeah. I got the clip in place. This came right on out. Like so. I'm just gonna take this rod out. Like that. You don't need this no more. Oh. Shit. Alright, so drop this down in there like this.
You got 13. I got 12.
Voila. Now it's time to drop it back in there. So.
Oh, I got 13. I got 14 now. 14 to 13. 14 to 14.
Before we drop it back in, gang, what we want to do is clean all this mess off of here. Oh, got the ripstick going over there. Get some exercise in with that. But yeah, we're gonna clean all this off. So I got a little scraping tool. I'm gonna scrape all this stuff off. Came with new gaskets, we're gonna throw in there. You see that? Coming right off.